Today I'm going to be recording a video on how to put a picture in SolidWorks so we can sketch over the top of it. The first thing I want to do is I want to have a part open. I'm going to go open a new sketch. I'm going to choose the corner rectangle. I'm going to draw a box. I'm going to dimension my box to 3 inches. By 3 inches. One thing I would like to do also is I want to take and make sure the box is composed of construction lines. So I'm going to select all the lines, choose for construction. So now I have a reference for a scale and size. I want my object to be 3 by 3. I go to Google and I'm going to search for the Green Lantern logo. I'm then going to use the Snip and Sketch tool from my computer. I'm going to choose New. I'm going to drag a box around my Green Lantern logo. And I'm going to save it. The location I'll remember. I'm saving the desktop right now, so I'm going to save it as Green Lantern JPEG. I'm going to go back to SolidWorks. I'm going to go to Tools, Sketch Tools, and Sketch Picture. I'm going to then navigate to my desktop. I'm going to choose my Green Lantern logo. I'm going to click Open. It's going to open a large size scale view of it. I want to go to the property window on the left and I want to choose Disable the Scale tool. I'm going to drag my image down smaller. I'm going to zoom in. I want to try to center that in my box. I'm going to go to full image on the left and I'm going to change the transparency to about 80% so I can still see it, but my lines won't be too dark to tell which ones they are. I'm going to now close the scale picture, the sketch picture, and now I'm going to start to draw my sketch over my picture. There's my first circle. The middle object, I'm going to turn and use this circle for that object. Then I'm going to have my outer circle image. Then I'm going to choose the rectangle tool. I'm going to draw a rectangle across there. I'm going to draw a rectangle across the bottom. I'm not going to worry about the outside green logo portion because I'm not going to worry about it. I'm going to go to Trim Entities. I'm going to click and drag and cut those images there. I'm going to go back to my sketch picture, double click on my sketch picture, and I'm going to change the transparency to 0 or full transparency. And now I have my green